Stacy. Hi, pretty girl. Hi.
What can I do?
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, pretty girl? Hi. So we're trying out this toy for the first time, and I like it. And Daddy is in trouble because my favorite part is the cell phone. You want the cell phone? Yep, that's my favorite part is the cell phone. See, I turn her this thing spins. And every time I turn her to the other side, she always ends up over here at the cell phone. Say, Daddy's in trouble, isn't he? Yeah, he's in trouble. He just doesn't know. Say, I'm only 4 months old and I already want a cell phone. Yeah. You want a cell phone? Pretty baby girl. Hi. Say hi, Aunt Stacy. Say wave to Stacy. Say we'll send her this video. Hi, Aunt Stacy. I love you. Yes. Oh. See, my feet kind of touch the bottom. I don't know how to walk yet, but that's okay. That's okay. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.